Hello everyone. In this video, I'll let you know how you can create multiple user account in the Windows 11. Create on the Windows tab, type setting, open it, come to the accounts option and click on the family and other users. Click on the add account. Click on I don't have this person's sign in information. Then click on add a user without a Microsoft account. Here you can enter the user account details like user name and enter the password, and you can set the security questions in case you forgot the password. Click on the next. It is mandatory. I'm setting up these settings. After these settings, click on the next button. It will create a new user account. So you can also delete this account by clicking over here, and you can remove by pressing over here and delete this account. You will get the warning message, delete account and data. It will delete your account. So by that way you can create multiple user accounts in the Windows 11. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, please hit like button, subscribe my channel for getting this kind of information. Thank you friends.